So lateral incisors, they also have two ridges. So the primary anatomy is similar in terms of the number of ridges. However, the ridges are more tapered. All right, again, have a look. You can even use this to even out the incisal edges. Right. Again, you want to get your brush. The rest is literally just bringing everything together. So you want it continuous, you want it smooth. Again, try not to take too long because that's when you start introducing air bubbles. So just get the overall shape, and then the rest you can start shaping when you finish.